very my dear. Malapur Gujarati my dear, Bengali and Oriya, Hindi, French and little bit of Russian. But I'm rooted to this country. Once about 40 years ago, a lady who has a gallery, important gallery in Paris, told me, I'll have a show of yours in Paris and New York if you come and live in Paris. I said, I will have the show, but I would live in India only. But I am totally at a loss. Let me start from a different route. I'm doing an art center in Bhubaneswar, and it's called the JD Center of Art for the last 30 years. And I give a मोगरे का माला, नहीं तो चंपा का एक फूल हाथ में. We don't give bouquet at all. If we drink tea or water, we have terracotta glass, so that the potter also survives. And terracotta glass which you can use, and you can take it or you can throw it. I requested Mrs. Bennett to stay. She wanted to go an hour ago. I am from Bombay. I am from Sir Jamshedji G.G. White School of Art. And I'm very proud of it. I am appalled by this, that starting with Jayagara, all the mask, what do you call it, the shell for the light should be white, not black. You know, Bombay is a very special place in the country. You know, as I was coming just now, I saw billions of buildings with no trees. And the government didn't tell all the bloody architects that you should, if you build a building, you should also plant some trees. And the architects and the builder will build it because it doesn't cost any money. I am appalled. I'm in Ahmedabad. I've been going for the last 65 years. Tall buildings, no trees. You know, it's appalling. Likewise, I'm talking about painting and lighting. There should be no light on us. There should be only light on painting. Jahangir Art Gallery is a very special thing, and all the artists should consider, and not just bouquets of flowers and the uttari. Bala Vidhi Parati Baite. Sounds like a well, you see, if you learn watercolor, then you have to do thousands of watercolor. You have to do thousands of sketches, then do a drawing. You know, I'm sorry, that's how we were trained in Sir J.J. School of Art. In the second year, Pansikar came to my easel and took a knife and wiped the colors. And I was burning with anger. Then I realized that he's not attending the evening classes, he's coming to me every day for 2 months. And he was training me which color should remain with next to which color. I had one man, I'm talking totally in a mixed way. I had a retrospective show in the National Gallery in Delhi. And it was decided by the committee in Delhi and Bombay and Bangalore that the show will travel there. But you know, nothing. There was no catalogue. I bought the catalogue. And then I requested them to send me some catalog, I'll give it to some other people, and they have not given it. And many people are changing, the country is changing, the artists are changing, the galleries are changing, but kindly Mrs. Bennett, get all these shades white within 1 week, otherwise I'm going there. She's a good friend of mine, so I'm joking. No, the point is, it's very sad. You know, what is the difference between an artist and Alu Vejtewala? You know, believe me, I swear on God, I never had a bouquet of flowers. Bouquet of flowers, do you grow it in your garden here? Do you see, look at the woven fabric. How beautifully it's done. Are we drawing and painting like that? And the way the flower is, are we capable of doing it, drawing it, painting it? Yeah. So this is only, I'm talking to artists, those who are painting and practicing. अनुरोध है एक लगन रखो और काम करने के लिए दिन रात. I swear on God, I'm 85 years old. In my 50s, 60s, 70s, I wrote, I'm a painter to become an artist. I go to an exhibition sala, 20-year-old bacha explains his or her painting for 1 hour. I've never explained my paintings to anybody. Never. You know? So somebody says, what is your concept behind your painting? I turn the painting, show the back of the painting. No, मजाक कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन ऐसे ही मैंने किया. But the point is, look at the light. The light is glaring. It's very dangerous for painting. There should be a softer light on the painting only, not on the audience. ये कोई अनुरोध करो. ये Bombay was a very special place. Bombay in everything was very special. And Bombay has gone, no, the whole country has gone down the drain. You know, it's not just Bombay. But he invited me. They didn't have money to pay for my ticket. And I came, I bought my own bloody ticket. And I'm not a rich artist. I'm a Padma Bhushan. I've got about 10, 12 doctorate. And I've had about 150 one-man shows in India and abroad. मेरा कोई स्थान नहीं है. That's not the point. The point is, once I was doing a drawing. And a friend of mine was saying, give me the drawing. And one line went wrong. I tore off the drawing. So I said, I'll give you another drawing. I have in my life never used an eraser for drawing. Rubber कभी नहीं लगाया. I'm very critical and very, क्या बोलते हैं उसको? I'm very strict with myself. And we, look at this young lady. So we grew up friends and we used to discuss like close friends, criticize each other's work with no malice, with no meanness. Whether it's a filmmaker, writer, poet, painter, musician, architect, you know. तो क्या हो गया बॉम्बे? इंडिया क्या हो गया? आजकल तो आलू बेचने वाला दिल्ली में लिपस्टिक लगा के और बोलता है लेफ्ट टर्न, बोलता है 250 meters. और मैं इसको हिंदी में बोलता हूँ. We have Macaulay went to the British Parliament and said India is greater, education system is greater than Britain. Make them very small by giving them clerical education. आपको मालूम है? हमारा जो Sir J.J. School of Art is a very, very important center. They bloody hell, they've never invited me even once. Your charity invited me the other day for a talk. Invited me like today for this JJ thing. I would have liked to invite Amol Palekar from Pune and बहुत सारे तो गुजर गए दिल्ली में मेरे क्लास में मनु पारे, ये सबको बुलाना चाहिए था ना. जितने जेजे का मैंने इनको अनुरोध किया कि जितने जेजे का लिस्ट बनाओ, सबके पास तो जितना 4-6 को बताए तो 10, 20, 50 ऐसा 100 का आएगा. उनका कैटलॉग एक लाइब्रेरी बनाओ. Mr. Chatterjee, I wrote a letter 2 months ago, and believe me, I spent about 2-3 days continuously thinking of JJ. How there should be a museum, there should be a collection, there should be a library. I've been to it. I'm very happy I knew him before he has become the vice chancellor. A lot of people don't know that it has become a university. This is the only university of art in the country where painting, sculpture, architecture, applied art, everything, and handicrafts, etc., all under one roof. And they don't have a proper big library. They can gift. I can give them 200 of my catalogs. Likewise, all the artists will gift, and all the publisher will give it free. You know, हम लोग सब मिले और ये फूल वाला और ये मोगरा का इसमें कुछ नहीं है. इसको जो भी कोई आर्टिस्ट को मिला इसको लेके ड्राइंग करें और मिसेस मैनन याद रखना इसको सारा सफेद और लाइटिंग. मेरा अनुरोध है, नहीं कोई भी सुनिए कोई भी रास्ता में जब फल बेचते हैं ना, they put all kinds of amber light, red light on the fruits, making it glossy. But artists should not put too much of bright light here. And softer light. There should be dimmer. तुम्हारा dimmer है इधर? हैं? Dimmer.
All the artists are coming to Jhanvi. Everybody like this light.
That's not only.
That's all the person says.
It's not just everybody lighting, it's all over the world. Dimmers, which you will diffuse the light and you paint this white.
I just checked it
Anurag है.
only 1 year before.
Okay, I know. बढ़िया, bravo. हैं? तो ये फुलवाला वगैरह कुछ नहीं चाहिए, बुके दे ही देना कभी, हैं? Because there's so much money you spend, you know. So फूल का माला, दे दो एक फूल हाथ में, नहीं, metaphorically speaking, that we all should respect the artwork, you know. और मालूम नहीं क्या कर रहे हैं, Bombay is very special. My daughter lives here. I grew up here. I studied in JJ, and he invited me out here. And I dropped 5-6 appointments to come here. You know, and I'm not interested in publicity, name or fame at all. But मेरा अनुरोध है जितने कलाकार हैं, जितने कलात्मक बोध है जिनका, वो सब थोड़ा मन लगा के काम करें और है ना, और जो काम तुम्हें पसंद नहीं है उसको फाड़ डाले, तो करे कुछ काम है। धन्यवाद। बाय बाय।